Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to add non-Steam games to Steam. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you would need to open Steam, and this should be the main page for your Steam app. You would need to find the button called Add a Game at the bottom of the screen. Click on it. It will It will give you three options. Click on Add a non-Steam game options. Here, you can click on the browse window to locate the game that you want to add to the Steam library. So currently, I don't have any non-Steam game to add. So I will be choosing Roblox Player to add as a non-Steam game. So when I hit open, it should show in this windows. Click on Add Selected Programs. So now the Steam game should be able to found in your library. You would need to go to home page. You will see that Roblox is being installed into your library. So to launch it, you would just launch it like any other games. You can hit play and it should launch the Roblox, and that is how you can add non-Steam game to your library. Thank you.